Hi everyone, in this video we will show how we can use AI to automate cloud operation, focusing on the interaction with DigitalOcean cloud provider. The main objective is to instruct an AI to perform the following steps. Check every minute if a given website is available, and send the result to a webhook endpoint. To provide these high-level natural language instructions to the model, we will use GPT-script. Under the hood, the following actions will be done. A virtual machine will be created on DigitalOcean infrastructure, and a cron tab entry will be created into this VM. Just a few words about GPT-script, which is a project created by Acorn Labs. Using a natural language, it automates the interaction with LLMs. To do so, it can leverage the function calling capabilities of the models. GPT-script uses tools to define functions which can be provided to the LLM, and it is capable of executing the function calls the LLM has returned in its responses. In our example, we will consider the URL vote.votingapp.xyz. This is the website we want to monitor. Also, we will make sure the status code returned is sent to the webhook, which URL is webhooks.app/data, using the headers content type application JSON and authorization header with the demo bearer token demo. So, how can we have the AI to perform these regular monitoring actions? In fact, we need to define tools that GPT-script will provide to the LLM, so the LLM knows which function needs to be called. We define three tools here: create regular task, create VM, create cron entry. On this slide, we can see the plaintext definition of these tools. Create regular task is the high-level tool. It waits for a command to run and a schedule indicating how often this command must be triggered. Then it relies on two other tools, create VM and create cron tab entry. Create VM is in charge of the creation of a VM in DigitalOcean. Create cron tab entry is in charge of SSHing into that VM, create a script with the command to run, and ensuring it runs according to the schedule. As we can see, each tool is a set of actions to perform. Just to summarize a bit, we can see here the tool hierarchy. Create regular task is the high-level tool which needs to call create VM or create cron tab entry based on the instruction to execute. Also, create VM and create cron tab entry relies on sys.exec and or sys.write if a local command needs to be executed or if a local file needs to be created. The tool hierarchy is one of the powerful features available in GPT-script. Now that we have defined the tools, here are the main instructions we defined in the monitor.gpt file. Create a task which verifies every minute that the website is available. Send a JSON payload to a given webhook. The website URL and the authorization token of the webhook will be provided as argument to this script. In order to execute the instruction we have just seen, we use GPT-script binary as shown here. We provide the name of the file to use, monitor.gpt, the URL parameter which identifies the website we want to regularly check, and a token to authenticate against the webhook endpoint. After a few tenths of seconds, we will start receiving messages every minute, indicating that the website is available. But let's see this in a demo. The monitor.gpt file defines the main instructions we want to perform. And we can see also that the main instruction here relies on the tool create regular task. This tool is defined here just below. And this create regular task tool also relies on create VM and create cron tab entry, which are two other tools defined just below. Also, we can check that our vote.votingapp.xyz is there and it's available. If I have a look at the webhook.app, I don't have any payload right now. And also in my DigitalOcean account, I don't have any droplet. Then we run GPT-script against the monitor.gpt file, we provide the URL, so the website we want to monitor. It's bot.votingapp.xyz and the token to authenticate against the webhook endpoint. Then we can see here the interaction between GPT script and the model. It will take a few tenths of seconds for the whole process to complete. We can see the different tools are being called. Okay, we are done, and we will now make sure everything went fine. First, we can see we have a message in our webhook endpoint. If we wait for a couple of minutes, we will see that each minute a new message will appear here. Also, if we go into the DigitalOcean droplet, we can see there is no droplet here. I will just get the IP address of this one, and I will SSH into this droplet. If I check the cron tab entries, I can see that every minute a new tmp/cron.sh is triggered. And if I have a look into this cron.sh, I can see there is something that's used to check the availability of the website and then get the return status code and send the status code to the webhook. If I go back to the webhook.app dashboard, I can see there is a new message here. So everything is working fine. GPT Script is a young yet very interesting and powerful tool for interacting with LLMs. You can visit gptscript.ai to try basic as well as more sophisticated examples and get started.